Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to C++ pattern programs. Yeah, in the previous lesson, we learned how to write C++ program that print this square pattern program. But now, before starting today's lesson, based on what we already learned, can you please write a C++ program that print this triangle here? Try your best in comment section to write C++ program that prints this triangle pattern program here. And then after writing this program, let us learn together how to write it. And please keep watching until the end so that you will be able to write it and to be able to know how it works. Guys, in this video we are going to write a C++ program that print a triangle pattern program. Right? Remember in the previous one we wrote one which displayed the square pattern program. So now let us write one to display triangle pattern program. So as usual we need to use nested loop int I, which is equal to 1. I must be less than or equal to 5, right? And also I must be increment. So we have to open and close our loop. Then in this loop we are going to use another loop to count for column, because this is for row, and we are going to use another for column int j, which is equal to 1. Here let us do this space, which is equal to 1. Then our j here must be less than or equal to I, right? Then our j must be increment, because when you carefully see here, for every row, column is less than or equal to row. For example, here for this one, you see we have 1 star. Here is for row 1, column 1, and you see the condition is true because row is equal to I. To mean here row is equal to I, right? Now for the row number 2, you see we have 2 stars. To mean here for row number 2, this is 1 to 1 are equal, condition is true. And also for this one, here we have row 2, column 2 also are equal. To mean there is no row where j is greater I. Always j is less than or equal to I. Let us take for last one. You see row number 5. Here for this first star we have just row number 5, column 1. Already j as column is less than 2 row, because row is 5, j is 1. As you see on the second one, still row is greater than j. For third one, fourth one, also for last one, for this one j is equal to I, because we have row 1, we have row 5 and also column is number 5. So that's why here we put j less than equal to I, right? So here now we have to see out our output. As you see, we used star, right? That's why here we have to use star as an output, right? Then let us put here space. As you see, between this star and this there is a space here. So let us put here space. Then end line, no, we don't need end line here, just semicolon, because when we end the line here we display just row star and then go on another line, but is not what we printed here. We print end line after each column, right? That's why end line must be here. South end line here, right? To mean when this inside loop finishes to execute or to loop itself, in that case we will go on the second line, right? So let us save it as triangle and check whether it meet with our output that we are seeing here, right? Let us make compilation to check whether there is some errors. Namespace must be one word, right? We have to pay attention on what we are writing and how we are writing based on the syntax of C++ programmer. Let us make compilation again. You see now there is no other error. Let us learn our programmer to check an output. Yeah, you see, this is our output. So let us compare on what we already have. Yeah, you see now this is the output the same as this one, right? So this is how to write C++ programmer that print triangle pattern programmer with stars, right? So let me show you what we learned before and why we print here 5. In the previous one we print here 5. Then when we put here 5, in that case our program displayed the square pattern programmer, because when we print here 5, in that case we will allow J to loop from 1 to 5. To mean from here can add another star, another one until J is equal to 5, right? And let us make compilation before learn it. Then let us learn it and show you a different, right? Yeah, you see now is a square pattern program because we allowed our J to loop from 1 to 5, right? So pay attention about this J, how it's looping. So, and this is the end of our today's lesson. Please, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section and I will answer you instantaneously. So see you in the next one.